Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to save your game progress on 8-ball pool. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Now in order to save your game progress, you'll have to log in with your Facebook or Google Play account. In this video, I'm gonna use my Facebook account. So I'll tap on Login with Facebook option. Then click on the Continue button. So that is how you can save your game progress on 8-ball pool. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.